Is let's see how to make your Apple Watch vibrate only. Then two things you need to do. First is just press this button, side button, and scroll down and find silent mode button, this bell icon. Just tap on it and it will change color and the silent mode will be turned on. That means your watch is now silenced and it will vibrate only. But there is one more thing to check. Is the vibration turned on? If it is not on, then it will not work. By default, the vibration is turned on. When you will do this, you're okay. Your watch will vibrate only. But just for checking purpose, just tap on crown and tap on the setting icon. And once you tap on settings icon, you will reach here. Here, just tap on sound and haptics and just tap on haptics. Make sure this is default or prominent. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please do like.